Oh, lily, like the water lily.
Okay.
What do you say?
I don't know.
Okay. You can try.
What's up, guys? Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're gonna be shooting in Tongli, so join us for the journey.
Sure. Okay. As you can see, she's a natural at this. It's like she's been doing this for ages.
Of course.
Yeah, and but yeah, we're just like going to do some shooting here. Nothing too crazy. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna strap my GoPro to my chest, and then I'm gonna be walking around this awesome location. So you're gonna be seeing like my point of view and also the kind of shots that I can get. The lenses I'm gonna be using are this. I'm gonna be using the 18-105mm Sony lens. Okay, so yeah, we're gonna get to it. Hope you guys like it. If you want to see more content like this, make sure you subscribe and yeah, enjoy. Alright, so I guess we're on the way. If we can get this alright. Alright.
Have you been around here?
I think I have, but I came in through a different entrance, not this one. Okay, I'm gonna try to take a photo here. So I think this is gonna be a good shot, but we need like taking a photo of someone in the light when. I think that would be a good shot. You just have to wait for the right frame.
Yeah.
Okay, there's that guy. Okay, let me see if I can also reduce this. I can also do this one here. And I gotta get you know, some of those close-ups as well.
I will maybe. Okay? Don't worry, I'm fine. I will talk to you later.
Can you hear? They
sound so like
calming, yeah. You want to get one of these? No. It's probably gonna be like maybe 500 RMB, 6. Yeah.
I don't have money for that.
Yeah. Usually when you come to places like these to get them, then you're gonna pay a lot for them. Yeah.
Let's see.
Ooh. Ah, this is nice.
No, I'm a pro.
Nice. Yeah. You know, I just teach you one or two things and then you just like, come on. Yo. You think one of us could like go up there?
Go. On.
Alright. So just give me a moment. I think first of all I need to Hey, gotcha. Okay.
You don't want to be in it.
Yeah, apparently. I actually wanted them to be in it, but then they're like, nope. Ah, okay. Well, she said. Alright, so I'm about to go. Yeah. Okay, let's go up here. Check it out. But yeah, this is called the Tongli water town. It's like a little district in Suzhou. And yeah, it's kind of like more of the ancient side of China and like ancient side of Suzhou. There's not too much development, I would say, here, but I think it's still really nice in terms of like the look and the cultural feel to it. So yeah, I'm up here and I can take a photo of her as well as she's trying to take a photo of me. I'll just take What? Who, me?
Yeah.
Oh my goodness. Yo, it's like everywhere I look, there's something interesting. Like it's,
Right?
I gotta keep moving forward. Let's not, yeah.
Tea, maybe,
Tea, I guess. Maybe spices. There was one time that I was at kind of a place like this, Pinjianglu. And then I went into this tea shop. So what happened was like I was just like walking by taking photos as usual. And then there's, you know, you have people who are like the salespeople. And then they were right at the entrance like, hey, here's a free sample. You can take a tiny shot of the tea. And I'm like, sure, I'll go for it. Anything for content. And then I go for it, and then okay, come in and try some more, just free of charge. I'm like, ooh, okay. So I go in, I'm trying and I'm tasting and, you know, having so many different nice flavors. What?
They won't let you go?
Yeah, they won't let me go. And then they're like, okay, do you want to buy any? And I'm like, oh shit, I already took so much free stuff from them. I might as well just buy a little bit.
They're literally like have the mechanism of a fish.
Yeah. That's
Not very efficient though.
Okay, I'm guessing this is it?
Yeah.
Okay, let's try not to drop this in the water though. Oh my goodness. Whoa, Celestine, you got jokes, huh? Oh, we can
Like,
take...
look at the pole, there's no photo.
No photos? What do you mean? Oh, you can't take photos.
This is
Jeez.
this guy, oh, he's there. He runs 2 stores and there's cameras in it, so then when he sees people on the cameras, he just goes in.
Oh, I see. So you can't take photos with the umbrellas, or?
I don't know. But
Oh,
we're
maybe if
outside
you're
the
in there,
store.
yeah. He can't stop us from like taking any photos from out here.
My camera's overheating.
Overheating?
Yeah.
Oh, this is where Sony comes in clutch. I've
But
never
it's
had
just
an
too
issue with my camera.
powerful.
Yeah, exactly. But yeah, I've actually never had an issue with my camera overheating.
Yeah, actually, I remember
Yeah, my phone, I've had issues. Like today, it was like temperature too hot, you know. But fair. Now this was on the way here, cause like I was also like taking photos on the way, like video short clip. No. I was like, while I was riding, I was like doing stunts. Yeah, I was doing stunts and like, you know, holding my camera up while riding, and also I was using the map as well, so it just like kind of overheated the phone. Okay. Let's step down here. gonna take you taking the photo. Let's see if I can take some photos. Ah, this is not bad. Ooh. It's actually nice. Oh, this is good. This is good. This is like really calm waters too. Oh, I mean, I can see a bit of like ripples in the middle. So there's probably fish over there. Alright, let's go.
I wonder if it's people's house.
I'm pretty sure it's people's house. Like up in here, someone's kitchen, I'm sure. I can imagine living in these places. And the thing is, like, it's all good and fine until winter hits. Oh, I love the ripples. Yeah, some places have, like, you know, air conditioning and all, but then I can imagine the ones that don't, they're gonna be freezingly cold. Yeah, you see? A much better shot than you got. These are nice. You're a first student. Oh yeah, this is actually really cool. There's a pool. Yeah. Oh yeah, this is what I need right now, just a little swim. Oh, there's like a... Uh-oh, I hope we're not like trespassing right now. Yeah. Oh, I didn't notice the dog like right behind. I need to record more videos. 你好。
Oh, are you posing for me? I love you.
你拿去吧，跟他们一起去。你拿去吧。来握手，你好。
你好。
握手，你好。真
握
棒。
手，握手。
来握手，握手，来握手，来来，来。这里来边一点，来边一点，来。站好，别动。 别动啊！别动啊！动了就不行啊！别动啊 ！No！
So cute, so cute， 好可爱。好，拜拜。That's so cute. They're trying to expose from the sky. What? On the bridge, right? She turned around at the perfect time. Just tried to like play it off, but yeah, she probably knew. Ooh.
Ooh.
I love this. I actually love this.
That's really
Jeez.
good. Yeah. My shorts are too short.
Yeah. We can take a couple photos and... Did you come up here last time? Ah. So yeah, you really explored this whole place. I absolutely love this. Perfect. Can I take these birds? Nah. Yeah. I think I got it, but then it's not like an interesting shot. Just like birds. Okay. These have like cow horn. Let's just like, you know, act like we're trying to. Hello. Hello.
Want a shot? This will look great on you.
Yeah? She's gonna be like, oh, they just wanted to get cool air conditioning. But you can't blame us, man. Let's see if we can. I like to take these windows and, you know, roof arch thingies. Just flew. Sorry, I had to. I don't know if it's like rude. All right. Oh, this is nice. If the lights are on, that would be like beautiful. You took this photo, right?
I did.
Yeah, I remember.
I was like, this seems familiar.
Yeah. Anything else I want to add? Anything else I want to add?
Subscribe to the channel.
Yeah. Yeah. We got that.